So guys, welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. Now guys, about 6 months ago, we did a review of the YESOUL G1 Max Bike, as you can see here, and we found it to be an exceptional spin bike. You see, the YESOUL G1 Max is about 90% less than the price of a Peloton. So what we went through is we showed you guys exactly why it was worth the money and why you get a fantastic workout by using it. We unboxed the G1 Max, tested it out, set ourselves up. So today what I want to do is kind of talk about what our journey has been like the last 6 months. Kind of how we found the bike has gone. You see, we've been using the G1 Max for about 6 months, been using it at least 3 times a week, and the transformation has been enormous. We've lost weight, gotten more healthy, feeling really good, and it's all because of this fantastic bike. So what we're going to do is going to jump on in a minute. I'm going to show you guys how we set it up. We're going to go show you guys some of the exercises, use it up. Now, the YESOUL also has released the YESOUL G1 screen bikes as well. So the screen bike actually has a plug you can plug into your phone, so you can do things like watch Netflix, YouTube, streaming channels. The YESOUL G1 Max, you can use it for Peloton, you can use it for YouTube, but with the upgrade, you can actually use it to watch all those streaming services, which is absolutely fantastic. And guys, there's a link in the description if you wish to purchase as well. You'll get a discount if you use it, and you also support our channel. So anyway, we've got other videos as well about the YESOUL G1 Max, but this really is a fantastic bike and a great alternative to the Peloton. Anyway, let's start by jumping, looking at the bike now, and here at MrYouWho, and it's time for me to get into my gear right now. So there we are. Now I'm in my fitness gear. Now I can jump on the YESOUL G1 Max and actually show you guys exactly how it works. This is very, very exciting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and just change the angle, and I'm gonna have another camera actually showing you guys the screen as well, so you can watch it at the same time. It really is thrilling. Let's do that now. Okay, so now we're on the bike. So what you can start by doing is using your phone to actually adjust and connect to the YESOUL. So it's as simple as downloading the app. Now the YESOUL app is $9.95 a month, which is excellent. So not only do you get all the workouts, but you also get free riding and stuff like that. So we'll talk about the app shortly, and I'll actually show you guys the different programs. But to start with, I want to show you how it works. So to start with, we go YESOUL, as you can see on the screen just here. Go to the app, connect it, and there it appears. Now, as you can see on the screen here, in the last 7 days, I've used it. I've done 95 minutes on the cycle. Cycle's 35.5 kilometers and done over 1,000 calories. And there you can see on the board there, all the different days I've done it. It really is, it's just a fantastic workout. So what I want to do is I just want to start by using it so you guys can get a bit of an idea how it works. So if we go and select a workout, so let's go here and select, I'll screen share you guys so you can see it as well. So you go here and you can select all these different workouts too. So you see you've got begin cross training, short but effective. You can just ride, scenic ride. So let's say we do the 30-minute pop fat burning ride. Now I'm not going to have the sound up for this just because I obviously want to be talking as I do it, but also play sound as well. So the instructors really recommend you to go along with the sound as it works. So you press start, it comes on there. Now you can also increase the volume, decrease the volume by using this. You can use other languages as well, but so here you are. So here's Anastasia doing a workout with us. And as you can see, they guide you through the workout too. So essentially what they do is they guide you through each step of it. So you've got beginner, intermediate, and advanced that you can use it. And it's very, very simple. So you can change it as well by turning the knob here. So the knob, it uses a magnetic system. So basically if you increase the magnets, increases the actual drag on the bike, decrease it decreases the magnets as well. So it works quite well. So and you can do different ways of doing it. So as she's showing us here, there's different ways. So you can start by doing the front cycling like this, which is more so if you want to sprint. You can also go and do the standing cycling as well, which is this. So you can stand cycle. But they go through all this in the workout too. So it is excellent. What I might do now is kind of show you some of the other ones they do, guys. So if we go back to the app and go back a step. So let's close that. So get out of that one, confirm, want to quit. So you have things such as, like we said before, just ride. So just ride is you can ride through, I'm going to use this one for China, for example. So you can be sitting there riding through China, seeing how that feels. It's really, really good. So 30 minutes you can be doing it. So as you can see, it comes on the screen here. And essentially you can be riding through another part of the world. See, normally I wouldn't be riding in traffic like this, so it would be a bit scary, wouldn't it? You can do that one too. So I'll go back out of that. But there's so many different courses. So the great thing with this is YESOUL's updating the courses all the time. So there's always a new course to do. and it's really, really good. So I find do about 250, 300 calories per workout, and it really has helped me get a lot more ripped. So the other thing you can do with it as well is you can actually turn the screen as well and start using it for Pilates and yoga. Would you believe they have those courses too? So what I'm going to do in a moment, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually do it for Pilates and yoga. Why that's good is because I do weights a lot at the gym. So being able to do Pilates and yoga gives me a different way of being actual working out, which is really good. A little more of a look at the bike. So here's the magnetic wheel. So basically this turns and it produces resistance. So if you turn it down, the wheel goes faster, increase the resistance, it goes slower. This enables you to basically be able to do more lower body strength as well. So you can strengthen the legs, but you can also increase it as well. So it basically gives you the range to actually work in. So if it says, to do 9 to 10 kilometers an hour, you turn this and cycle to 9 to 10 kilometers an hour. It works very well. Now, it's customizable as well. You can customize these sandals here as well, so you can fit your foot in. You can customize the height here by turning this up and down. It comes with dumbbells too, which is here. And all around, it's a great workout to use. So, the bike works really, really well, and it's been exceptional for me in actually working out as well. Okay, so go back now and have a look at the app. As you can see, there's all different types of workouts we can do as we spoke about. But you can also do Pilates. So you can turn around the screen like I've done here and go and select things such as yoga. So you've got yoga there. So if you go and press that, you get your yoga mat out and you can do yoga workouts as well, which I've actually done and found it to be exceptional. So we press that and watch this come up here, guys. It really is cool. And the thing is, again, these are very, very good instructors as well. So, you should pay $9.95 a month for the membership. But, what do you pay if you go to a gym? You're paying hundreds of dollars a month. And because the bike is so inexpensive too, you really are getting a workout. So there we are. So doing the postures and the poses. So again, this is a workout for a tight back with yoga. But if we go back and have a look, let's jump back out of that. Just want to quit. And we go and have a look. Let's do, what else? So we've got strength workouts too. So you've got strength workouts, you've got stretch workouts, and you've got cardio workouts as well. So they actually give you a whole set of workouts to do for your whole body, which, guys, I've been going for the gym a long time, and I wouldn't, not be able to use this now. It really is incredible for my exercise. So, yeah, exceptional. Let's go and put this one on now. Sorry, guys, I get a bit excited, don't I? And so there you are. And again, how it tracks everything through the app as well is really, really good. So kind of going back to it, I recommend that you guys do at least this 3 times a week. You do it for at least half an hour a week, and it will transform your body. And coming up to the new year, we all have these New Year's resolutions. This bike has transformed my life. It really is exceptional. And see, there you go there. There's a fit young man talking about a strength workout. And also, I think I like this as well is with the latest TV as well, you can actually be watching Netflix or YouTube as well while you're doing workouts too, which some people asked me about in the past as well. So again, it's an all-in-one fitness system. And again, it's like 90% less than a Peloton. It really is incredible. Well, guys, how was that? As you can see, the YESOUL G1 Max is an all-in-one solution for your workout needs. Been using it for the last 6 months, and again, it's transformed my life. Now, I do go to the gym all the time. I've been going for 20 years, and this is like having a gym at home. The bike works very, very well. I never had any issues with actually adjusting the speed. The trainers are good, the workouts are fantastic, and you just sit there, you turn it on, and you get involved straight away. And the big challenge we have is it's very hard to get motivated when you're doing workouts because you've got to think about what you're going to go and do. The YESOUL G1 Max does it for you. You don't have to sit there and think, what I'm going to be working out next. Jump on there, select your program from the workouts, and start working out, and the trainers will help you. So, guys, again, there's links below if you wish to purchase. Anything you buy does support the channel. There's also discount codes in there as well. But also let us know what you want. And they've also got the screen bite that's come out too with the connection for Netflix and other stream services. But, changed my life, and I've been going to the gym for a year. And for the price you pay for this, it is so much value. Anyway, let me know if you've used the YESOUL G1 Max bike. Put comments below what you think. But yeah, thanks for joining me again here at MrYouWho.